Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going hunting for antique classic cars at affordable prices, all under $10,000. We'll explore various listings on the marketplace to find vintage vehicles that not only have style, but also historical value. If you're a classic car enthusiast or looking for an exciting automotive investment, make sure to watch until the end. Let's start our journey to find the classic car of your dreams. The affordable car we found is a 1965 Pontiac Parisian convertible selling for $5,800 in very good condition. The car's engine runs smoothly, it's registered and insured. The body condition is excellent, rust-free. It just needs new seats to be ready to drive. A new exhaust system, suspension, and nearly new Chevy 305 engine have been installed. This classic car with excellent body condition and no rust is a rare opportunity. With some additional repairs, it could fetch a high market value and be a pride for its new owner. Car, a 1961 Ford Fairlane 500, is priced at $10,000. It's powered by a 352 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and equipped with power steering for easy maneuvering. The braking system has been upgraded with a front disc brake conversion kit, dual master cylinder, and brake booster. Fuel tank, fuel pump, and carburetor have been updated. Additionally, the interior has been improved. These enhancements not only boost the vehicle's performance and reliability, but also the driver's comfort and safety, suitable for all of you. The third car, a 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix, is selling cheap for $5,800. It runs well and is comfortable to drive, but needs extra maintenance and some body work. Importantly, its engine has been replaced with a 455 big block, significantly improving its performance. Offers for trade are encouraged. This engine upgrade might appeal to enthusiasts seeking a powerful and classic driving experience, though the need for body work could entail additional costs and effort. The fourth car, a 1949 Kaiser Deluxe model, is selling for $2,100. It has some rust but runs well and is comfortable to drive. New tires, brakes, and battery have been installed, and the underside and interior floor have been epoxy coated. However, there are some shortcomings, cracks in the driver's and passenger's windows, and the interior needs reupholstering. All forms of trade are accepted. This rare American-made car might appeal to collectors, though some repairs are needed to restore it to optimal condition. The fifth car, a 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 four-door hardtop, is selling for $4,700 with a 371 engine. It lacks an exhaust system, and the brake booster needs replacement or repair. It's insured and registered in Alberta and was last driven last year. This vehicle has some rust but runs well and is comfortable to drive. New tires, brakes, and battery have been installed, and the underside and interior floor have been epoxy coated. However, the driver's and passenger's windows have cracks and the interior needs reupholstering. All cars are open to trade, though some repairs are needed to restore them to optimal condition. This is one of America's silent step cars. Next up, the sixth car, a 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe Club Coupe, is selling for $7,300. Its equipment is still original, including its paint, and it comes with all service records, original purchase receipts, and some trophies from car shows, demonstrating its well-maintained condition and potential for collectors. The seventh car, a 1967 Cadillac DeVille with the same owner as the previous car, is selling for $7,300, basically wanting to sell it at the cost of repainting, and the car is also in very good condition. There's no long description for this car. It reflects its very good maintenance quality from its owner. For purchases, you can check the description below this video. The eighth car is a 1976 Chrysler Newport priced at $6,300. It has 30,000 original miles on the body, with a 318 engine and a 727 transmission from a 1974 Dodge Coronet with about 70,000 miles. It has been equipped with a new timing chain and gear set, new alternator, and runs very well and fuel efficiently. It also uses 20 wheels from a Dodge Challenger, reasonable fuel efficiency. However, it's important to ensure all components work well together, given the various modifications made by its owner. Number 9. A 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass is selling for $10,000 with 94,000 miles, gold exterior color, black interior, and automatic transmission. The car title has no significant damage or issues. All is well, and in a condition that could still be a new choice for collectors. The last cars are two Thunderbirds, one from 1961 and the other from 1962, selling for $2,100, mainly for parts. The 61 model has a smooth-running 390 engine, with lower quartets already installed on a solid body. However, it seems to be missing a front bumper. This collection offers a valuable opportunity for restoration projects or spare parts acquisition, especially for enthusiasts looking to revive classic Thunderbirds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.